It would be any time that you are aware of other spirits, right? Other spirits, that you're aware of spirits around you. So a medium can talk to people on the other side, but you also have people that aren't on the other side that are maybe stuck in the astral or hanging out in the astral world. Maybe they're not stuck at all. Maybe they're very happy or very happy here on the earth plane, even though we would call it stuck, right? Because their vibrations are so low. So it would be, can you see things out of the corner of your eye? Do you walk into a room? Does your hair stand on end? Do you catch a glimpse of something, and if you look at it, it disappears? Do you have any senses about somebody that you've known or that was here, like the smell of their perfume, or if they used to smoke cigars, or whatever? It would be all of your senses being aware of and being present in that moment of what you're sensing. So if you get any of those interesting things that you can't really explain, then I would say look into taking like a class about how to do it, how to develop those abilities, and then you'll be able to sort out what is coming from inside of you, what's coming from outside of you, and then what's coming from things that are not you.